Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed one problem. Now we will discuss with new adjustments in journal entries. Always in journal entries, mandatory and compulsory entries. What are the compulsory entries and mandatory entries means? First it is capital. Capital entry means started business with cash. Always it should be a compulsory entry and mandatory entry. Capital, purchase and sales, deposit and electricity bill paid, interest received, commission received and charges paid and postage paid. These are all the mandatory and compulsory entries in the journal entries. Means here you will see purchase. In previous problem also we see purchase, sales we see, and even machinery and product machinery also we see. Means compulsory entries. And with the new adjustments means see here means if they will purchase today, they will purchase on credit. On credit means sala. They will purchase today, they didn't pay the money. After 10 days they will pay the money. If they will pay the after 10 days money means what's the entry? How we will pass the entry? If we will give the discount or not? If we will receive the discount or not? If we will discount received means what's the entry? Okay? If we will receive the discount means what's the entry? If we will give the discount means what's the entry? Okay? We will discuss now. And even loan. Loan also it is new adjustment, new entry. How we will pass the journal entry for loan? And loan it should be which account? And discount receipt in which account? We will discuss now. Already I told always the first entry should be a capital. The first entry should be a capital only. In every problem, the mandatory entries, what are the mandatory entries means capital. Started business with cash, capital, furniture. If they will give anything, if they will give any example, goods, furniture and machinery, they will give means it should be capital only. Okay, purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, and even electricity charges, interest received, commission received. These are all the mandatory entries in journal entries. And sometimes they will ask in new adjustments. Today we sold on credit, and after 10 days they will pay. If they will pay means what's the entry for that? Okay. Otherwise we purchased today. After 10 days we paid. But today I don't have money. After 10 days I paid. Means what's the entry for that? Okay. We will discuss now here. Okay. And before, if you want to pass the journal entries means compulsory you have to know the golden rules of accounts. If you know golden rules of the accountancy means you can solve the problem easily. Otherwise you can't. Okay, you can't write and you can't pass the journal entries blindly here. You can't. If you know journal entries means compulsory, you can get other chapter also. Otherwise you can't get it. Okay. So students, listen carefully. This lesson if you will get means if you know this lesson means compulsory and you can get other problems also. Always in accountancy it should be linked between the one chapter to another chapter. So please listen and understand. Okay. And see here we will see one by one. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Mr. Sachin. Mr. Sachin. 1/10/2012 started business with cash, goods and furniture worth rupees 75,000. Furniture worth rupees 75,000. Always the first entry should be a capital. Fix in your mind. Okay. Always the first entry should be a capital. Capital account is a which account? Means personal account. Personal account rules we have to apply here. Okay. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay. What year receiving year. What they will give is capital they will give. Okay. What we are going to receive here means cash, goods, furniture. Okay. We will pass the entries. First entry is 1/10/2012. First we are going to receive here cash. And after that we receive goods. Cash how much is there here? 75,000. Okay. And goods how much is there here? 25,000. And furniture also we received. Okay. How much furniture is there? 75,000. Total capital how much here to capital account? See here. In general entries, we have to give space here. Okay, we have to give some space. After that, we have to start to write the to capital account. Same like this, you have to record in your notebook. Okay, same like this one. Okay, total capital is how much? 75,000. 25,000 is 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 75,000 it is 1 lakh 75,000 total capital. Okay. And we have to write narration. Narration means what it is? Brief explanation about the journal entries. Okay. Being started business with cash. With cash, comma, goods, comma, furniture. Started business with cash, goods, furniture, etc. We will see now. And second entry is deposit into Bank of Baroda. Deposit into the Bank of Baroda means I told if it is there any bank institution, bank or institution name or person name means always the entry should be a personal account only. We have to apply the personal account rules here. Okay, we have to apply. What we are going to receive means we will deposit means who will receive here? The bank will receive. What we will give? We will give the cash here. Okay, who is going to receive here? The bank. Okay, see here 10, 12 and deposit into the bank. Who is going to receive here? The bank here going to receive the amount. What we will pay means the cash we are going to pay, and cash we will deposit into the bank. And which bank here? They mentioned here specifically. They will mention the Bank of Baroda. If they will mention Bank of Baroda means even we have to write here same name only. We should not write bank. We should not write just bank. Okay, we have to write total bank name. Okay, Bank of Baroda account data 2. What we are going to give here? Cash. How much amount is there here? 25,000 and 25,000. What's the narration? Means being cash deposited into bank. And third entry is 4, 10, 12. What's the entry? Means purchase goods for cash here. Purchase goods for cash rupees 28,000 from Girish. And here Sachin purchasing the goods for cash. They are pay the cash immediately here. Okay, they paid to Girish. Okay, and on the same day here they purchased 2 times. Okay, the Sachin purchased 2 times here. Okay, and first he purchased for cash rupees 28,000, and the 28,000 means 20,000 from Harish on credit. He purchased for cash rupees 28,000. After he purchased for rupees arrange. On credit means they didn't pay the money here. On the same day they purchased 2 times. The Sachin purchased the 2 times. That's why they are mentioned in the same line only. Okay, and always the purchase is which account? Real account. Real account, what's the rules means? What comes in your business, what goes out in your business. What comes in means if we will purchase means we will get the goods. What goes out means the cash will goes out. If we will not pay means, and today we should not pay, but after tenders also we have to pay. Okay? Shall we pay the? Shall we write the entry here? Yes. Okay. In the same day happened 2 purchases. Purchase account data 2. And first time they purchased from Girish for cash. Second time they purchased but they should not pay the amount here. If they will not pay means we will write their name where we purchased. We will write their name here. Okay. How much amount is there here? 28,000. Sorry. 28,000, and still we didn't pay the money here. That's why we have to mention here Arish. Okay. How much amount is there? 20,000. And 4, 10, 12. How much purchase happened means total it is 48,000. 48,000 purchases happened. Okay. Being purchased goods for cash and credit. Okay, and next entry 8. Sold goods for cash rupees 30,000 and on credit it is Suresh for rupees 20,000. In the same day, 6th, they sold the goods 2 times here. First they sold for cash and second time or next time they sold for credit. First time they sold for cash. Second time they sold for the on credit. Okay, we have to apply the rules here. Always the sold should be which account means real account. Real account, what's the rules means? What comes in your business, what goes out in your business. If we will sell means we will get the cash. What will goes out means the goods will goes out here. First we have to write here what comes in your business means the goods will come, sorry, the cash will comes in, the goods will goes out. Okay, first we have to write here cash account. What comes in means cash will comes in. How much cash comes in? Here is 30,000 come. And here on credit means Suresh he didn't pay the amount. That's why they are mentioned there on credit. On credit means still they didn't pay. That's why we are mentioned here name only. We have to pay. That's why we have to record here. Suresh account how much here is there means 20,000. To total sales means total sales how much is there means 20 plus 30 how much here is there means total 50,000 sales happened in 6, 10, 12. Okay, being sold goods for cash and credit. And next entry it is 10, 10, 2012. 10, 10, 2012. Okay, and paid postage. Postage means it is expenses for the company. That's why it should be always nominal account. Nominal account rules we have to apply here. Means first we have to write all expenses and purchases. If we will pay the for the The company will pay money for postage means that should be expenses for the company. Okay, that's why that expenses should be always nominal account. We have to apply the nominal account rules here. Okay, or first we have to write in debit column, we have to write expenses and losses. In credit column, we have to write incomes and gains. Okay, first we have to write postage here. Postage account debtor to postage account debtor to cash account. To the cash we are paying the money here. Okay, how much amount is there means 1000. Okay, and narration compulsory how to write being paid postage. These are all the entries we pass. First entry it should be, see here, first entry started business with cash means they have started the business with cash, goods and furniture. Always the first entry should be a personal account. Always the first entry should be a capital. The capital it is personal account. Personal account rules we have to apply here. Okay, and how we will apply means what we are going to receive here. We are receiving here cash, goods, furniture. Cash, goods and furniture we written already. Means what they will give means the capital they will give here. The capital they will give, total amount capital we are received means 1,75,000 they are given for us. Okay, and we have to write narration here after passing the journal entries, and we have to write narration here. Being started business with cash, goods, furniture, and next entry it is deposited into the Bank of Baroda. If you will deposit means, if already I told, if it is bank or institution name will come means always that should be a personal account only. We have to apply the personal account rules here. Okay, and what we are going to receive, who is going to receive means the bank will receive. And who is going to give means we are going to give. What we will give means cash we will give, and the bank will receive, and we will give the cash here. Okay, who is going to receive means the Bank of Baroda here going to receive, and what we will give means we will give the cash here. Okay, to cash account being cash deposited into bank. Okay, and fourth entry it should be purchased goods on the same day. Two purchases happened. They purchased two times. First time they purchased for cash, and second time purchased on credit. Okay, and first time purchase they paid 28,000. Second time they don't have money. That's why they will purchase on credit here. Okay, and we have to write narration here means being purchased goods for cash and credit. Okay, and next entry should be same means the sales. This sales means here they sold two times. First time they sold for cash, second time they sold for on credit. First the person will pay. The person will pay for the cash, and second time the Suresh didn't pay the amount here. That's why we are mentioned here name Suresh. And next it is to sales account. Total amount sales is there means 50,000 sales is there. Okay, being sold goods for cash and credit. And next is for paid postage. Paid postage means it is which account here? Paid postage. If you will pay anything, it should be expenses for the company means always should be a nominal account only. Nominal account rules we have to apply here. Means what is the nominal account rules means all expenses and losses and incomes and gains. First we have to write expenses and losses. The postage should be expenses for the company. That's why we are write here postage account debtor to. Means cash account being paid postage. These are all the entries. Okay, we will pass the remaining entries now. Okay. Hmm. 13, 12, 2012. Brought means purchase. Brought means purchase. Purchase machinery from Wipro Limited. Here Sachin purchased machinery from Wipro Limited rupees 20,000. Okay. Always the purchase it should be which account means real account. Real account, what is the rules? Debit the receiver. Sorry. Debit what comes in. Credit what goes out. Debit what comes in. Credit what goes out. If you will purchase anything means what will comes in means goods will comes in, cash will goes out. Okay. If you will purchase means if you here we will purchase machinery means machinery will come, cash will goes out. Okay. And what's the date here? 13, 10, 12. Okay. We purchased machinery account data 2. Where we purchase means Wipro Company Limited, and here they will give it mentioned cash here. See here, brought machinery from Wipro Limited. They will not mention cash means that should be they purchased on credit only. If they will mention cash means that should be purchased on cash. If they will not mention cash means that should be they purchased on credit only. On credit means we have to mention here Wipro Company Limited, and Sachin have to pay the money to Wipro Company Limited. We have to write here Wipro Company Limited only. Wipro Company Limited account. How much amount is there means 20,000 and 20,000. 20,000 being bought machinery from Wipro. And next one it is 14/10/2012. Draw for office use. Always the drawing should be a personal account only. The personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Means if you will draw means what we will get means cash we will get. Okay. Drawing, what is the entry? Drawing account return to cash account. Okay. Drawing, what is the entry for the personal use? Drawing account return to cash account. Okay. If it is there any office use, what's the entry? Means if you will draw means what you will get? Cash you will get. Who is going to give here means the bank will give here. If we will draw the amount means we will give the cash. Who will give means the bank will give. What we are going to receive here means we are going to receive here cash. What they will give means who is going to give means the bank will give. Okay. And 14, 10 cash account data 2 bank account. Bank account being drawn for office use. Personal use means what's the entry? Drawing account return to cash account. Office use means cash account return to bank account. How much amount is there means 10,000. 10,000. And next entry is Suresh paid us. Understand this sentence? Okay, Suresh paid us means Suresh paid to us rupees 19,500 in full settlement of his account rupees 20,000. Here Suresh didn't pay here. See here. Yes, here. And on credit to take the Suresh. Okay, on credit year. From Sachin, he took the goods rupees 20,000. He didn't pay the amount here. So after some days he paid amount. Means when means 18/10/2012 he paid the amount. But he have to pay the 20,000 here. But he didn't pay. He paid only 19,500. Means Suresh had to pay here 20,000. But he paid means in full settlement. Here they already mentioned in full settlement. Means he paid only 19,500. Remaining 500. What is this? What is this means? It is discount allowed. Here the Sachin is going to allow the discount here. 500 is discount. The Suresh will ask, we are purchasing bulk and more goods here. Give me some discount. He will ask. Who will ask is Suresh. Okay, Sachin will give. Okay, take 500 rupees discount here. He will tell that should be 500 and 20,000 you have to pay. But he paid only 19,500 means remaining 500 it should be discount. Who is going to discount? Who is going to give here discount means Sachin will give. If we will sell anything means we will give the discount. Okay. If we will purchase anything means other persons will give to the discount for us. Okay. And we will pass the entry now. 18, 10, 12. How much cash we paid? How much cash we paid means 19,500. And how much amount discount here? Discount allowed account 500. Totally how much Suresh have to pay? Means 20,000. Being Suresh paid cash in full settlement and discount allowed. Okay, and next entry it should be we paid to Arish. We paid means Sachin paid to Arish here. Means he will pay means definitely he will purchase. Otherwise he took cash from Arish. You will see where he purchased. Okay, where is means see here. Yes, here is there. He purchased on credit on 4/10/2012 and after 22nd he paid the money. He paid means example see we purchased from the Arish and we paid to Harish. We paid the Harish means we paid to Harish. We purchased from the Harish. We paid the money. And that time we don't have money. Now I will pay to Harish. Okay. And 19,900 only we paid in full settlement. In full settlement means definitely they will give the discount. See here, we purchased from Harish rupees 20,000, but we paid only 19,900 means remaining 100 rupees it is discount. Okay, remaining 100 rupees it is discount. Okay, and we pay and see, we have to pay 20,000 to Harish, but we only pay 19,900 means remaining 100 rupees it is they are giving the discount. We are receiving the discount means we are receiving the discount means discount received. We are getting the 100 rupees discount here. We will pass the entry now. Okay, and see here. 22nd, 10, 12. Okay. See here, Harish account. 19,900 only. And remaining 100 rupees it is discount received. Remaining 100 rupees it is discount received. Means Harish will give the discount for us, being cash received and discount received. And next entry it should be advance loan to the Srinath. The loan always should be a personal account only. We have to apply the personal rules account. We have to apply the personal rules here. Personal account means what we are going to receive means loan. What they will give means cash. Srinath loan account it are to cash account. 30th-10-2012 Srinath loan account. Srinath loan account data to cash account. Being advance loan to the Srinath. Advance loan to Srinath. How much amount is there means here 20,000. 20,000. And last entry is paid electricity charges. Paid electricity charges means the company will pay the electricity bill. Means that the company will pay the money or spend the money for electricity charges means always that should be expenses for the company. The expenses should be which account means nominal account. Now nominal account rules we have to apply here. First we have to write all expenses and losses and incomes and gains. Means here it is paid electricity bill. We have to pay the electricity bill here. Means Sachin will pay the electricity bill. What's the entry means? Electricity bill charges account data to cash account. Electricity charges account data to cash account. Being electricity charges paid. How much amount is there here? How much amount is there means here? How much amount is there means here 1,000 rupees electricity charges amount means 1,000. Okay, this is the general entry here. See here students, missionary means brought missionary from Wipro Company Limited. Means brought means purchase. Purchase is which account means real account. What comes in your business, what goes out in your business. What comes in your business if you will purchase means we will give the missionary here. And where we will, who is going to give means the Wipro Company will give. But we didn't pay the money. That's why we have mentioned name only. Okay, next account it is withdrawn for the office use. Means we have to apply the personal account rules here. Means debit the receiver, credit the giver. What we are going to receive here means we are going to receive the cash. Who is going to give means bank account. Cash account return to bank account. Here being Suresh paid cash and in full settlement. Suresh paid means we sold fourth, but he paid and he settled the amount in 18th. Means he paid only 19,500. Remaining 500 is the Sachin is allowed 500 rupees discount. Means total it is 20,000. Okay. And next it is here. We purchase from the goods. We purchase the goods from the Arish here. Okay. So we have to pay the money for to Arish rupees 20,000 we have to pay. But we paid only 19,900. Remaining 100 rupees it is discount. Arish is going to give the discount for us. Okay. And next it is loan. Loan account it have to cash account. Means here it is the loan means which account? Personal account. We have to apply the personal account rules here. And in normal account means electricity charges means always normal account. We have to write electricity charges account it have to cash account. 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. We have to write compulsory narrations and we have to give space here. We have to give space and after that we have to write create column sentence. Okay. And this is the problem of journal entry. And next class we will see the new adjustments of journal entries. Okay. Thank you students for listening this session. Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. And last class we discussed
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು